If you're looking for a way of adding filters in your Google Sheet, this is how to do it. I have a table with data over here. It's formatted, but the format doesn't matter. It's just some colors. So let me show you how to add the filters. Now, the first step that you would need to do is to click anywhere within your data and then press Ctrl and A. And this will ensure that you have selected all of your data range. The next step is to go into this toolbox and identify this filter button, press on it, and it will create a filter. Now notice how every heading cell now has this button over here, which allows me to select it, and it gives me three new options: filtering by color, which is not the case for me; filtering by values, which simply allows me to pick which values I want to show; and then the most interesting option, filter by condition, where you get to pick one of these conditions and use it to filter your data. For example, I can pick greater than and then just pick 300, and that will ensure that I only show values that are greater than 300. And this is how to add a filter in your Google Sheet. If you had issues, let me know in the comments. Thumbs up the video if this helped you, and subscribe for more videos just like this one.